Welcome to Embeddable Custom Canvas. This powerful, configurable, and easy-to-use solution allows your users to build their own dashboards in your platform. With Embeddable, building dashboards is a snap. With Custom Canvas, you can deliver first-class customizable dashboard creation directly to your users in just a few steps. You define datasets, components, and rules. Your users build, arrange, and personalize, all inside your product without any extra tools. If you want to give your customers the power to get richer data insights, if you want to save your team from having to build a new dashboard each time a customer requests something specific, or if each of your customers have different reporting or data needs, Custom Canvas will help you deliver. Your users will be able to select from data and templates you provide them and build their own dashboard in minutes. They'll be able to update their chart data in real time and see a live preview of their changes. They can resize and reorder charts on the fly, customize their display properties, and adapt their dashboard to suit their needs. Whenever they return, the data will be waiting for them exactly as they laid it out. We're going to guide you through the basics in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Define which datasets you want your users to have access to. Datasets are a powerful embeddable feature that allow you to group and filter your data in different ways. You may not want your end users to have access to every dataset or model in your dashboards. Custom Canvas allows you to specify which datasets will be available for end users. It pulls from your list of existing datasets, but you can also define new ones in the Embeddable Builder. Just check the boxes next to the datasets you want to make available and click Continue to Template Library. Step 2. Define which charts your end users can use to build their dashboard views with templates. Templates can use any component that your regular dashboards can use, including components you've built yourself. For this example, we're going to quickly add a bar chart, but there's no limit to the number of components and templates you can create. You can even make multiple templates using the same base chart, but with different options. Click the plus sign and choose a chart. Here we're working with Embeddable's component library, Remarkable Pro, and are going to choose the default bar chart. Once we've done that, we're presented with a list of inputs. Note that as we mouse over these inputs, we can see the option to hide any of them for your end users. You can use this functionality to limit which inputs your users can change. Preset datasets are automatically hidden. Let's choose orders. We're going to leave the measure selector blank so that the end user can switch between them, but let's set the x-axis to created at. This sets the field to being hidden from the users as well and brings up a list of sub-inputs. We're going to set the granularity to day, but leave the rest untouched. For the title, we'll put order measures by day, but we'll leave it unhidden from users so that they can customize it as they want. We'll skip the description and leave the rest of the settings at their defaults. Click Continue to Next Step. We're going to name our template Bar Chart Order Measures by Day and give it a description of choose between various order metrics organized by date. We'll choose an icon representative of a bar chart and click Save Your Template. Step 3. Test it yourself before publishing to customers. Once you have a Custom Canvas template set up, you can switch from Builder mode to Preview mode by clicking the switch in the top center of your screen. You're now seeing what the end user will see when they visit the dashboard on your site. We begin with a Start Building Your Dashboard modal that invites us to add a chart. Let's click that button, and we're taken to our list of templates. We've only got one for now, the bar chart we just created, so let's add that by clicking on it. You'll see the list of inputs. Note that the dataset and dimension are both missing as we defined them and made them hidden so that the end user can't change them. From here, the user can adjust the inputs as they see fit. We're going to choose Number of Orders as a measure and click Apply. Note that the chart preview updates in real time as you change things. Let's make the title more specific and change it to Orders by Day. Remember, we set the default but left it visible to the user for editing. The legend is superfluous for this particular chart, so let's change that. The value labels also make things look a little cluttered at this scale, so let's remove them. We can always add them back later. Other than that, this looks pretty good. Let's click Add to Dashboard at the bottom. As you can see, the end user now has an Orders by Day bar chart in their dashboard. It's looking a little squeezed though, so let's expand it out. Just click Edit Dashboard, drag at the bottom right to resize, and click Done to save. With Embeddable, adding new components is easy. You can customize existing components by adding new inputs or behaviors, import different libraries to work with, or write your own from scratch. Everything in Embeddable is functional React code, and anything you add to your dashboard can be added to Custom Canvas. It's easy to give your users as much power and functionality as they need. As we like to say, if you can build it in React, you can add it to Embeddable. From here, the sky's the limit. As you can see, your end user has significant control over what they want to see and how they want it organized. The limits of customizability are yours to control, and can even include allowing the user to add charts that are connected to filters and variables you've defined. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you'll build.